Friends, good morning. Today we will start the prelims aspects of the Hindu. Today is the 11th December 2009 newspapers. The first topic is the appointment of judges. In the appointment of judges, there are two aspects. That one is the Supreme Court of Judges appointments, and second is the High Court Judges appointments. So the contest is that there are vacant seats in the High Courts of Judges. A lot of states, they are not having the sanction strength, and the pendency has been increased in the recent times. Vacancy. So the Supreme Court judges appointment, the left side is the language which is written in the Lakshmikants. The right side that I have sorted from Chief Justice of India is appointed by the President after consultation of the judges of Supreme Court and High Court. This is the consultation with the Collegium. It is called the Collegium. It is not obligatory, and the other judges, the appointment is by the President with the consultation of the CGI. It is the obligatories. Second, the High Court judges appointment. High Court judges appointment. The Chief Justice of the High Court is appointed by the President and with the consultation of the CGI and Governor. And in the other form, the judges of the High Court is appointed by the President with the consultation of the Chief Justice of High Court and the Governor. So in the all forms we can see that the consultation, the appointed by the President, but consultation is different for the different judges. The next topic is the Karthike Deepam. The Karthike Deepam is celebrated the festivals in Tamil Nadu. It is the festival of the lights of Hindu in Tamil Nadu. So the questions where the questions can be asked that what is the copperai? It is that vessel used for the lighting. It's a 5-foot vessel that is used. This is the vessel that is called copperai, used for the lighting the Deepak. Annamalai Yanuku Harora. This is the Lord which has been prayed by the people of Tamil Nadu. The second context is the protection of the plant varieties and Farmer Rights Authority and PPV and FR Act 2001. We can see that PPV and FR Act 2001 because the PepsiCo has published the frequently asked questions in which it said that small farmers and the mid-scale farmers cannot be under the PPV and FR Act in 2001. So the questions is that the PPV and FR Act is having some scales. So there has to be some change in PPV and FR Act 2001, that there is no scales because that all the farmers are lying in it. So what is the first questions can be asked? What is the PPV and FR Act? It confirms the right of the breeders, researchers and farmers over their plant varieties. It is very important for the agriculture aspects that what do the PPV and FR Act 2001. So it protects the farmers varieties, farmers plants varieties for the seeds, for their plants. So what is the ministry of this one? The ministry of this one is the Ministry of Agriculture and Farmers Welfare. And what is the department in which this authority acts? The Department of Agriculture, Corporation, Farmers Welfare. So this photo infographs is very important, where you can say this information very important. So the farmers are invited to register their varieties under this authority, and this authority is under PPVR and FR Act 2001. So why this question? Because of the PepsiCo frequently asked questions. It is in context. So next one is the defamation case against Google. Google, this is the case between the Visakhas and the Google. Visakhas accused the Google that it has accused that some of the products of the Visakhas firms. So Google said that we are not accused, but now the context is that this is the context, but that what can we ask from this context is that Information Technology Act 2000, this act have section 79. This 769 said that an intermediary shall not liable for any third party information, data or communication link. That means if third parties publish something and defaming the other party, then Google cannot be accused. But this act is of 2000. This amendment is came in 2009. So the before 2009, the Supreme Court said that it can be accused because this law has been formed in 2009. This amendment has been formed in 2009. So this is the thing. And second, it is a contradictory. The contradictory thing is IPC section 499, that defamation, regarding the defamation, it said it is the blanket protections to intermediaries from legal action under section. That means this IT Act 2000 section 79 is blanket. That means it can protect from the IPC 499 500, because this is related to the defamation. So Supreme Court said this internet is too big to fast. We cannot supervise all the things. This is all about concerns, but major thing is section 79 of the IT Act 2000. Now next is that regarding to the COP conference of 25, which is going on Madrid in Spain. So the first thing is that they have published German watch. This is the import. German watch has been published the climate change of performance index, that is called CCPI 2020. In this one, India first time India got in top 10. That is the content. India get the top 10 mark, and the rank is the 9 in this one. So the another question can be asked, that what are the 4 categories from which that CCPI has been formed. That the first one category is that CO2 reduction, second one is the renewals, third one is the consumptions, and fourth one is the policies which is made by the governments. Now that what is going on, that there are Kyoto Protocol's target, so that they are pre-2020 period analysis. Then the governments are saying, the other various developing governments are saying that there should be a analysis of the pre-2020 targets of all the developed countries which have been whatever developed countries has done about that climate changes policies and regarding CO2 reductions and renewals. So that should be analyzed by the organizations. And India has said that we have improved a lot, as the intensity of GDP reduced by 21%, and the target is the 35% of emission that is promised in Paris conference COP. So that India is on track. That is the call by our Indian Environment Minister. Thank you very much. Today is this much. Thank you.